Allis Chalmers D19 tractor. Oh, brother Leon, he's starting his harvesting early this year. Bring that tractor in.
Hey cats and kittens, it's a toy car case event at Johnny Roman's Supper Club. It is 3:16 on Old Johnny Clock. Let's see what pulled into our parking lot.
A D19 Allis Chalmers? No, not Chambers. It is Chalmers. Look at that tractor. It is so cool. Little dusty on the seat, but look at those lights. Man, that would light up the field all night long. And these have sweet wheels, nice axles, great spinning on that. And look at that motor. It goes on with moving parts forever. There's something about a tractor that I just love. Big Mama loves a tractor too. Look at that. It's got a nice hitch where you could drag anything you want around. Now, the trick is, can you find where it says the name of the manufacturer? Who knows? Usually it's ERTL. ERTL makes the most killer tractors around. You see anything? Well, whatever you do, don't step on my blue suede shoes, baby! Not with this orange tractor. You scuff them. I don't see nothing. Oh, wait. Oh, is there something buried under the 6 miles of paint on this? Can't make it out. It's gotta be ERTL. It's short. You see it? Can we focus closer? I'm gonna say it's ERTL. Upside down. Let's try. There it is. ERTL the turtle. We love ERTL. Owned by Tommy. Killer cars. Killer tractors. Farm equipment. John Deere. Everything. Oh, thanks for riding this tractor in, Leon. We love you, man. We love you. I know you're a toy car case guy out there.
It is 3:16 on Old Johnny Clock. Let's see what pulled into our parking lot. Hit that subscribe button and you won't miss out.
Don't you wish you had that? This is the place to be.